Pairing the post-October 2018 RT510 RF thermostat to the receiver. On the receiver, ensure that both switches are set to auto and on. To start the pairing process, turn the unit off and on. On the thermostat, slide down the front cover to reveal the Test Pairing button. To start the pairing process, insert a pin into the Test Pairing button and hold until the display shows Sync 10. The 10-minute countdown will begin. Once both devices have successfully paired, the red light on the receiver will turn solid red. To cancel the pairing process, press and hold the Test Pairing button until the home screen appears. To test the connection, press the Test Pairing button once and Test 10 will appear on the screen. If successfully paired, both the red and green lights on the receiver will flash. Press the Test Pairing button once to complete the process.